Yeah. Never find anyone like me. Unique. Yeah. You will never find anybody like me. Never ever, never ever, ever, ever. You will never find anybody like me. Yeah. I hope him treat you better, I hope him treat you nice, make you smile, girl. Yeah. You will never find anyone like me, like me. Yeah. You will never ever. Hope him treat you right, hope him make you smile, take a place that you like. I never know when my up until I got through the door. Now it hurt me to my heart now. Yeah, me can't smile, can't eat, can't sleep, me can't breathe now. Me feel it to my heart, me feel like a big man that cry now. Big man that cry now. Yeah, yeah.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost.
Good morning, babe. I made breakfast for you. Are you okay?
Yeah, I'm okay.
You can go sit around the table. I'll serve it for you.
Alright.
Here you go, honey.
Thank you, baby.
You know, I was thinking that since we don't do a lot of things together and you always have work and I have school, I was thinking that we could invite Peter and Lisa and have a barbecue.
Yeah, that sounds like a great idea.
You sure, hon?
Yeah, I'm sure.
Sure?
Legit.
Okay. Yeah, I was thinking, but we have to set it up and have a certain time. Which day are you off from work?
Thursday.
Thursday? Yeah, and I have school early in the morning, so I could come and prepare the barbecue.
That sounds like a great idea.
Yeah.
Just sort out everything. I don't know.
I will. So how was work? You seem a bit distressed sometimes.
It's okay. I'm managing.
What's on your mind? You seem off this week. Yeah, like you're not emotionally available sometimes.
I didn't know Emma was lacking like that. Hey, seeing as that's how you feel about it, I'm a fix up, okay?
If I say you're saying,
Serious thing, man.
anything you're saying.
Yeah, man. I thought.
Baby, you know I love you.
Emma.
Right, yes sir. Yeah.
Babe, what happened? Babe, you're bleeding.
It's the girl clamped it.
Are you okay?
It's okay, man. It's nothing to worry about.
You sure you don't want me to wrap it up for you or adjust it for you?
Emma, it's okay, man. Nothing to worry about. It not even hurt. It not even hurt. I'm
Alright.
sure. I'm fine. Look,
Make
see?
sure.
I can move it. See? Just gotta wash it off. This green matches the table, you know.
Yeah, this is a pretty green. I chose it because I know that this would look really nice for the barbecue.
True.
So you sure you're okay?
Yeah, man. See it wash off and it clean.
Yeah.
I'm gonna set up the chicken. So when time come, you can just get right to it, you know?
Okay, babe.
I'm gonna do the lighter. Outside my bro, Peter. Wait a minute. Wait. Hold on. COVID. Have to follow COVID protocol.
Really? Yeah. I know we're gonna eat, but we still have to follow the guidelines.
Alright. Yeah, that's good. Alright, bro. We're there, man. Ready for it.
See
There,
you.
man. Everything good. Everything good. Barbecue time.
Love your
Barbecue
outfit.
time. Oh, son. Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
Barbecue idea, you know it go.
Like his settings, my brother.
I mean, man, so how's life?
Life good, daddy. Good.
I
Not
mean,
tell
man,
lie.
I saw it we go.
Want to get two baby in a year. I don't know what can go.
Rotted. I saw
We work funny, you know.
I saw your mom's are going.
Yeah, man, every day, man, night and day, you know. Have to drink up some strong baba roots and all of them nice things, you know.
Rate on my bridge that keep up with
Yeah,
the pace.
man. Yeah, man.
No joke, man. So, everything good, though.
Everything blessed.
I
Everything
seen
blessed.
somebody there that's going to take it easy.
Yeah.
Same way. Nah, you know, nah, change up.
Emma, you answered you're going with dear things, big brand wine in the fridge.
I wish.
You wish you guys look happy together.
Looks are very deceiving.
Don't worry yourself about him. I can't believe you have so much things bottled up inside. Give me a hug, yeah. I'm sure everything's so good. Don't worry yourself. Everything soon takes its course.
I have to just act like everything is okay. I have no choice.
Let's have a drink. Let's have a drink.
Yes, let's have a drink.
Let's toast.
Alright, so let's toast to happiness and prosperity.
Right.
See,
I just life, you know.
see we there, that's a try for just go and humble yourself and create loving idea, you know.
It is right.
Yo, I get a beer.
Get two now.
Right now. Let's see what, that's hold it.
Ah, papa.
It's our baby girl. But you know me already. I'm in the Pamberg. True. Right?
Ladies. Hey, beer.
Okay, babe.
Beat out the country.
Alright.
Mr. Girl. And it's not happen right now. But yeah.
You're terrible, girl.
I am not.
You're terrible.
fix it, man.
Yeah, bro.
Yeah, man.
Come on. Nice beer.
I mean, see, you mash my finger in brother.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Mash my finger.
Say how do you?
Yeah, I'm fine.
Boy, bro. It's a nice family you have, man.
True that.
You know, Papa Christian, bro.
Peter, bro. But what kind of question, brother Peter? Listen, me, man. Yeah, Lisa relationship are two different relationships from me and Emma's relationship. Listen, me, bro. I'm not gonna make you pressure me in doing something when I don't want to do. I'm not gonna make you pressure in doing something when I'm not prepared for my fam. Literally, bro. Me are bridging, but me not go. You know, me not gonna go down the road there. Swear. Bro. I read that, bro, man. Can't let's do the best right now, brother. This is, yeah, mom's good in the bud. Yo, Peter, you never put no coal in the pot.
No, sir.
Just pass me the bag of coal.
You okay? Why don't you give Taj a baby? Let's see if that would cheer the relation up or
Girl,
make
no, you
y'all
can't have
happy.
this a relationship right now.
What?
The level of how Taj emotionally unavailable, even if we touch him, I'm not in a moment.
Yeah, man.
Yeah. Alright, good beer. Dad, you don't think if you come out your head?
What's up?
Brother, I know say two love each other, brother. So I don't know why problem.
Yo, Peter. See, from I was 9 years old. Me and my mother and my father lived together. Perfectly, in harmony. I tell her peace. And one day, just
One
to
day
find
what?
out, say until it was just me and my father. Just me, my father and I alone. You understand? So, you see the love thing? Put a gauge on it. Like percentage. Like maths class.
Dad, you need to wake up, brother. You understand? I know say depressed. I know say your past and everything. But you control the future, brother. That's what I say. Make it work, man. Your family is in the dog. You have a girl. You have your girl. Brother, your family. Make it work. You can make it work. Trust me. Me and Lisa are not perfect.
Bro,
But we are work on it. Isn't it?
listen to what I say.
That's how we are trying to make a baby. Because we are work on it. You have to work on it too.
Bro, me and bro, you know, from long time, you know. I listen to what I say. As me I tell you, bro, for me I feel relationship. Two different relationship. I tell you.
It's difficult, you know, brother. No, some marriage with a difficult,
Yo,
man.
this,
No,
yo.
Where light? Light up the grill. Eat some food, yeah, man. Boy, it's a food that take long, bro. Not true? I want you. How you doing?
You know later.
Yeah, I like that. We like that. Later will be greater.
Yeah.
These two. What's that? Yeah.
See that?
Finally.
See
Nice.
that? I don't even see that.
Finally, Emma. Jesus.
Chicken up good. So, what, Grace?
Well, we would want to ask Taj
Taj.
to bless the table.
Let's go, Taj. Come on.
Come in, my brother.
Sure, what are you talking about, man?
That's Grace.
Sure. So, yes. Alright, so Our heavenly and gracious Father, we come to you tonight with this barbecue that we constructed in our minds and planned and hope that we enjoy this meal to the fullest. Father, I thank you for everything that you have put in our life.
Amen.
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 All right.
Babe always does the long prayers. I don't know why.
It's good.
Yeah.
Me want chicken.
Yo. You serve the guest first.
Yo, you know, see it? Easy.
Can I have a wing or leg or something, please?
Alright.
Thank you, babe.
Yeah, she like it. She like it big. Yeah.
This is the way.
Sorry,
Lord God.
Nice and big for you.
There's the part.
Say for are we having any more? Alright.
Babe, I'm not on a diet. I'd want more than that.
Alright.
That's more like it.
Yo, hey, fork. No fork. The fork.
Okay, I'll go get the fork.
I can't wait. I'm so hungry.
Chef.
Yo.
Have a little vibe, man. Have a little vibe.
What you mean? Bad chef.
I give vegetable, man. I go.
You want any vegetable with it? Well, more for me. I love cucumber. Cucumbers. Yeah, man. Love this. This is my type of stuff. Yo, no currants? No currant?
No. You're good.
Kind of hard, man.
Emma, hurry up and get back, girl.
I'm hurrying. I hope you guys can start eating without me.
Too bad we're hungry.
Really? Well, you're my guest, so it doesn't matter.
Thank you very much.
Respect.
Oh, you don't want any vegetables?
You guys don't eat ketchup?
Best dead chicken invited.
Hey, who wanna talk about that? Hey, let me tell you something. See that? That not care who you be. That not care where you come from. That not care where you're there. That rob your life at any given moment. That's when you see me. I live my life to the fullest. To the fullest.
Taj, sit down.
Unlike Emma, she worries about everything. Me, I have a lot. I have so many different things to think about right now. You understand me, bro?
Really, Taj? Really? Is that the way you talk to someone you love? Don't. It's not nice.
Look here. Watch your mouth. Don't come into my house and tell me how to run my home. You understand? This is my home.
Anyways, have you guys done anything exciting lately?
Nah.
Well, you guys know our anniversary is coming up. And guess what? My baby's taking me to Hawaii.
Congrats, that's amazing.
I'm so excited, girl.
I love the way you guys are so loving.
Such the best friend ever.
I'm so happy for you guys. Honestly. Is there something wrong with me, Taj? Why don't we have a love like them?
Emma, listen to me. We not reach them levels there. I love yet. You understand? Stop. Why the rush? Me not see the rush. No? You know what you better do? Go and eat your food.
Stop. Just stop.
Better go and eat.
Stop it. Why are you treating her like that? That's not nice. Come on, Taj.
We had one night, and you have to behave like this. Why you have to behave like this?
Dinner was great.
I'm so glad you enjoyed it.
Thank you, honey.
Now hurry up now.
Ooh, where's Emma?
Hey.
I'm here,
Apple
sweetie.
Finally.
Yeah.
Right?
Ah. Yeah, man. Respect.
You that, bro.
Yo, come on, take a walk now.
Girl, I really want to know, how do you guys do it?
Do what?
Like,
Talking about having sex?
no. How do you make your relationship work?
Relationship comes with a lot of communication, right?
Oh,
So
communication.
it's like 50-50. One person can't be doing 20 and another be doing 70. It's not gonna work. You have to 50-50 in the relationship so you know what's going on.
You know, I really agree because I feel like most times I'm pushing the conversation. I'm trying to make small talk with him and he's just always busy.
Oh, well, you need to tell him. Tell him how you feel.
I tell him, but he doesn't change.
He doesn't care.
No, he doesn't care.
Oh. Sad.
Any advice on what to do? Because I've done all of that and it's not changing.
I guess a man has to put in his 50 because you're putting in like 70
Trust me.
and he's like 20. So I guess you just have to talk to him again and see what happens. If he loves you and he wants to stay with you, want to keep the relationship going, he will change for you, for himself also. So it's a win-win. Come on. Everything's gonna be good.
Babe, I have something to ask you. It's just been on my mind.
What's up?
You seem so, like, emotionally unavailable and indifferent most of the time. Why is that?
I don't understand.
You remember when we first met?
Yeah.
You remember how you used to treat me?
Yeah.
Do you think you treat me like that now?
Where you coming from with this?
I just want you to answer me.
I treat you like a queen, don't I?
Do you really think you treat me like how we first met, when we first met, babe?
Emma, honey, I love you. And you know
Yeah,
this.
but you don't show it, babe. You don't show it.
Babe. Yeah, but babe, you rushing things to a type of way, you know. Because you're watching and comparing people's relationship with ours.
No, but what about when we first met? Don't you remember that?
Of course I remember that. It's the first time I saw the love of my life.
But you're not like that anymore.
Emma, listen, I just don't want you if you're watching and compare the relationship. Because it's not meant for us. Listen, just
I'm not
listen to me. I want want some fresh air. I get some fresh air outside, alright? Yes, I get some fresh air. Emma, you're just not understanding, Emma. Our relationship is not like for everybody, Emma. Come on. Sometimes I just really wish I could see life from a different perspective. Come on, Emma. Come on, Emma. Emma. Emma, baby. My wife, my love. Just give me some time now, babes. Please, I beg you, just give me some time. Too much rush, man. Too much rush. We don't understand the rush. Why so much rush, Emma? We don't have to rush in our life, you know. We have all the time in the world. All the time in the world. We don't need to rush this. Relationship is not a game. Something that we... Emma, just... I love you and you know that I love you, Emma. You know this. Father God. Father, just come to you in my humblest form ever, Father God. Just open up her eyes and to my love, Father God. Make she see, make she feel me. I need her to feel me. I need help through this. I need help. I need some form of help. Emma, baby. You know that I love you, Emma. Emma, come on, Emma, man. Come on now. You know that I love you, babe. I'm not gonna ever make you feel no type of way. Forever, love. Wow. That's beautiful. It's the first time I've seen one so close and bright, you know. My grandmother always tell me, they make a wish on a shooting star. Yo, I'm gonna make a wish. Sometimes I really wish I could see life from a different perspective. Really different perspective. Wow. Really feel weird.
Morning, I think I just put in lovely music. And it's something.
Good morning, the love of my life. How are you?
Good morning, and you know, say this in our pro. I was just looking for this. Pure mosquitoes in this place. Pure mosquitoes in my place.
Yes, babe. I made this breakfast just for you with a lot of love.
As always, I saw that bird that morning do very much out.
I didn't even realize.
That's so nice. So nice, man.
Here's the bread.
Thank you.
So what do you think about the breakfast this morning?
Good, lovely.
Nice.
What nice bacon look. Aha. Like that.
Babe, do you love me?
Of course I do. What kind of question to ask me, Emma? Emma, what kind of question to ask me?
I'm just wondering.
If I love you,
Yeah.
how long may I get together? How long?
Very long.
So, throughout all them time there, I know why you choose to ask me that no.
I don't know what I was thinking.
You must never know where that thing. Because me and you been together so long, Emma. Can I ask me to love her?
Sometimes I just need reassurance.
Well, I'm not sure your brain this morning. Let me ask you something. Ask you a question. You're going to college, right?
Yes, I am.
Who's paying the fee?
You.
Me, right? Right. So right. You eat every day. You get nice clothes to wear. You have a nice shelter. We provide a home for us. And you really have to sit down right us around the table, Emma. Right us around the table, Emma. And ask me if I love you. Yeah, I go really sit down right next to the table, man. And ask me, I love you. Yeah, I want to plan to spend the rest of my life with. Yeah, girl, I plan to spend the rest of my life with you, man. Man, please just take a second thought. One way to say to me. Please just take a second thought.
Aren't you gonna eat your breakfast?
I'm not hungry, man. You could give me a heart attack. Emma. Yeah, leave it.
Babe, you forgot something.
I said, no, I have my key, my stencil knife,
I
my...
love you.
I love you.
I love you so much.
Then, I love you, but I gotta leave for work. In the evening?
Have a great day at work.
I will.
Girl, me get you, you know. I'm so happy. Morning. Morning. Me say yes, girl. I'm so happy. Me get you, man. Yeah.
Morning.
Babe, I love you so much.
I love you more, baby. What you doing today?
Oh?
What you plan to do today?
Nothing special.
Okay. Can you tell me you later?
Yes, that would be nice.
Sure. Nice problem.
Hey, Bamas. Every morning you come with the same thing. What you trying to do? Turn my place into a porno shop?
Idea, you know. Relax, man. My baby is not for sale. She's just for me and me alone. Right, sweetheart?
Yes.
Okay, baby. We're gonna make this good, right?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, go on your backside. Here is not the time and place. Keep all the excitement at your house.
Since today is your birthday, I'm gonna make it very special for you. If I don't sure about anything else in this world, I'm sure about you. You know you're my queen. Baby, will you marry me?
Yes.
Sure about that?
Yes.
Oh my god! Oh my god. I love you, baby.
Love you more.
Oh, so we have wedding cake to eat soon. Congratulations, Mr. Bamas and Miss Bamas to be.
I love you, my queen.
Love you, baby.
Yeah, babe.
What's up? No, sa mga very good. Masa ba dia work? Yeah, man. Masa star yeah. Acha. Suka. É uma Natasha só pra mim. Eu não me love.
Yeah, man. No, but babe, that's why I spend so much time with you, you know. So I know you want. Yeah. I'm a baby. Yeah, oh babe. Later me and Taj I go have a drink, you know. Yeah, but me I come home first, spend a 5 with you. And I do some liquor. Baby, make it. And then me and go back here. Alright, later. Love you.
Bro,
Yo,
what's wrong with you?
tell me what I'm doing.
What's really wrong with you, bro? You guys sleep in the same bed. I know that.
Brother.
20 minutes no pass since you reach it, bro. You know that for a fact.
Brother, you and I love my youth. I'm to you.
Bro. In love. Of course I'm in love. But I'm not gonna be a slave to it, bro.
Bro.
Hey, listen. A man's biggest weakness is love.
Brother, listen to me. Listen to me, my boss.
I'm listening.
See on my wedding day, Pastor say something. Pastor say, love is patient, love is kind, love no envy, love no boastful, and a holy part of this. Long and short of it, just love your wife. You understand? And two kind of love different. So, can't understand.
I'm a preacher friend. No, wait, I'm a preacher friend, or should I say Mr. Loving Loving? Because, wait. You and your wife, you're there 6 years still. So, me, if you look at love, don't really have no levels. I'm not levels still. For 1 year, I really match up to you in 6 years.
Bro,
Bro.
it no matter. You love her. She the force herself, man.
Nah, not really. But to be honest, bro, listen, I really want good one with the bag of woman. You know something I really tell her and make she know say I want her to be my partner. I want to commit myself to her, I want to marry her, she wants to spend the rest of my life. You understand? That's all, bro.
See, bro, that's love. Yo, no both connect, bro. You have to just spend time with her. You see me? More time to spend, stronger connection get. You see me? And guess what, the life short. You know what tomorrow promise. You see me? You can live us today and dead. You see me? You can dead tomorrow. So you have to enjoy every moment with your wife, brother. I mean, your wife to be. You understand? Yeah, man. So you have to do it, brother. So you can't just give up on it, dog. You see me?
Yeah, you're right,
Yeah, bro. Just think about everything we just said here.
You're right. Anyways, how you reach work so early? You not tell me you're not for the work early.
Brother, you want to know, say, you have to go my hard way to get some things work on your house, but Lisa said she'll get them for me, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
And she'll have just dropped me at work early, bro, so I know she go early, brother.
Yeah,
early,
yeah.
Me have to early for work, dog.
Bro, I go. Remember saying we are quota man in the house trying to meet the quota threshold of the video, my friend.
Hold on, you did send email to the people there?
You know, say, it's just the video.
Brother, you jump on it, man. Remember, say, this year kind of the #1 country this year, you know.
Yeah,
Get the work done, you see me?
Yo, I feel the tilt, you know, every energy I go into this right now, you know.
So
every
word, my bro.
Energy, bro.
You see me?
Yo.
Can you believe, girl? He forgot my birthday.
Emma, girl, stop crying. You have until 12 o'clock, 12 a.m. for him call you. Cheer up, man. Maybe him have a surprise for you.
It's easy for you to tell me to stop crying. It's so easy, but I loved him from the first time I met him. And as the years went by, I just keep on loving him. I can't believe that he would forget this special day.
Girl, listen, if I not know nothing, no say him love you. Not because him not remember, that no mean say him not love you. Forgive him, man. Me not say you not feel that way. But based on everything, him not buying a gift or him not remember your birthday, at least him not cheat. That's a fact from what me can say. He's a nice guy. So you have to just be patient with him, isn't it?
Okay, Lisa, I understand what you're saying. It's just that I don't know how to approach this. Honestly, I don't understand how to approach this.
Alright, here what you're going to do. Is when you get off the phone with me, you're going to call him. Take a deep breath, I know you can do it, and just tell him how you feel. Right?
Yeah.
That's it.
Yeah.
Peter.
Yo.
How much copy of this bastard is ever print again? The one I'm like.
We bought it 50 December and 25 for this after that one, man. Yeah, man.
Hold on. Hello. Hey. What's up? How's it day? My name. My name is going fine. Is there or something? Yeah. It's okay. It's not too busy though. It's like just normal. Yesterday was kind of busy. So like Emma. Huh? Oh, but no, it is a check. It is a check about it. You see that? Yeah. What's going on? Emma, what's going on with you? You've been acting strange since this morning. This morning you've been acting strange. Never from this morning. It's like when I leave out of the house and I see you, you look on your face, you can notice something. You've just been acting strange. Babe, I know say you really love to hear my voice. I know. Babe, I just left home. Like 3 hours ago. Don't stress yourself, I'll be home. Back. I'll be home soon. Okay, babe, go. Alright. Party already.
Daddy, you want to say? I must say about the third one this year.
No, but the third will be better. Watch out. It was a minute, but. One, you lifted it. You man, I had a 1
Brother,
million
crosses that
worth
road.
that.
Crosses. You see me take for myself.
Yo, so on face, I'm tired now you. Yo.
I'm tired too.
So. Yo.
Brother, alright. Yo, I chum up this end, brother. And we just don't beat the moms, you know. Remember, so I make a baby and thinking, brother, so I'm on the same way. I think you like out. Yeah.
Yeah, man, you want easy now, yo. So, man, brother. You want to tell me, say, you want some picture? When we get the picture, then 50, maybe, you know, 50 bungle them.
Yeah.
I need to go back to the brother and I go and do the things, brother. Watch out, them man can win.
Answer, brother, what you with, man? Brother, answer your woman, brother, what you do?
Tell her to the camera. Brother, anything you mean,
Bad man, answer your phone, bad man. Yo. Brother, call her back. Call her back, brother.
Woman that works just me. Can't wear every woman say so.
No, brother, you have to go and park. You have to want to tonight. You have to drink so. Sorry, you have to back of this. Bad man, go call back your woman, brother. You like problem in your yard, man? Call her back there. But they say one way for him.
Yeah, I need that one rum and drink some liquor and bridging. But you know, this easier said. This easier said, no, brother.
Brother, you know, I tell you, you know. From what day me talk to you, you know. Yo, call back your woman, brother. Call her back. Zoom call back to you. Watch. They're going to keep up for you.
Emma. My work. Huh? Man, why you have to call my workplace? Okay. Alright, I'm just at the bar, taking a drink with Peter. Yes, babe.
Hey boy, Damo, I'm gonna phone and give me the thing in your pocket. Yo, matter of fact, give me your phone.
It was a dream. Oh, me not like. Oh, God. Me not like dream. Dreams I'm dead. Me not like dream. Oh, me not like that now, dream. Thank you, Jesus. Can you imagine if it wasn't dreaming? I'm dreaming. Father God, I'm gonna get them the dream there again. But we'll let you next time, man. Can't bother you, dream them I did it. Let's see. People don't love the music every morning. Everybody love the music. Here she goes.
Good morning, the love of my life. How are you?
I feel weird ever since I got up this morning.
There's nothing weird about this morning. What do you mean?
This morning. Pure mosquitoes in this place. Pure mosquitoes in my place. Oh. I can put it on with.
Yes, babe. I made this breakfast just for you with a lot of love.
As always, I saw that bird that morning do me a match out.
I didn't even realize.
Let's look nice. Let's look nice, man.
Here's the bread.
Done.
So what do you think about the breakfast this morning?
Good, lovely.
Nice.
Nice bacon look. Aha. Like that.
Babe, do you love me?
Of course I do. What kind of question to ask me, Emma? Emma, what kind of question to ask me?
I'm just wondering.
If I love you?
Yeah.
How long may I get together? How long?
Very long.
So, throughout all them time there, I know why you choose to ask for that now.
I don't know what I was thinking.
You must never know that thing. Because me and you been together so long, Emma. Can I ask me, my lover?
Sometimes I just need reassurance.
Well, I'm not sure you're being this morning. Let me ask you something. Ask you a question. You're going to college, right?
Yes, I am.
Who's paying the fee?
You.
Me, right? Right. So right. You eat every day. You get nice clothes to wear. You have a nice shelter. You provide a home for us. And you really have to sit down right us around the table, Emma. Emma, right us around the table, Emma. And ask me if I love you. Yeah, go really sit down right us around the table, Emma. And ask me if I love you. Yeah, I want to plan to spend the rest of my life with. Yeah, girl, I plan to spend the rest of my life with Emma. Emma, please just take a second thought. One way to say to me. Please just take a second thought.
Aren't you gonna eat your breakfast?
I'm not hungry, Emma. You could give me a heart attack. Emma. Yeah, leave it.
Babe, you forgot something.
What's that? No, I have my key, my stencil knife,
I love
I love you.
you. I love you so much.
Babe, I love you, but I gotta leave for work. In the evening?
Have a great day at work.
I will. Oh man, no. Not just tell me everything what we dream.
Angie girl, me get you, you know. I'm so happy. Me get you, you know, girl. Morning. Get you, you know, girl. Me get you. I'm so happy. Yes, me girl. Girl, you know, long me I see for this girl. Long time and me get you. Listen, me happy. Actually, no, me feel.
Morning.
Babe, I love you so much.
I love you more, baby. What you doing today? What you plan to do today?
Nothing special.
Okay. Can you tell me you later?
Yes, that would be nice.
Sure. With a nice bar, don't?
Hey, Bamas. Every morning you come with the same thing. What you trying to do? Turn my place into a porno shop?
Idea, you know. Relax, man. My baby is not for sale. She's just for me and me alone. Right, sweetheart?
Yes.
Okay, baby. You're gonna make this good, right?
Yes, baby.
Yeah, go on your backside. Here is not the time and place. Keep all the excitement at your house.
Since today is your birthday, I'm going to make it very special for you. If I don't sure about anything else in this world, I'm sure about you. You know you're my queen.
Baby, I know.
Baby, will you marry me?
Yes.
Sure about that?
Yes.
Oh my God! Oh my God. I love you, baby.
Love you more.
I love you, my queen.
Love you, baby.
Oh, so me have wedding cake for eat soon. Congratulations, Mr. Bamas and Miss Bamas to be.
No, man. It's strange, man. Them people, man. Yes, sir. Them people, man.
Yeah, babe. What's it? No, something of very good. You must have been working. Yeah, man. You should start her. Yeah. Gotcha. Super. Yeah, man, I touch us up on me. Babe, you know I love you. Yeah, man. Babe, that's why I spend so much time with you, you know. So I know you want. Yeah. I'm a baby. Yeah, oh babe. Later me and Taj I go have a drink, you know. Yeah, but me I come in first, spend a 5 with you. And I do some liquor. Baby, make it. And then me and go back here. Alright, later. Love you.
Bro, what's wrong with you?
Tell me what wrong with you.
What's really wrong with you, bro? You guys sleep in the same bed. I know that.
Brother.
20 minutes no pass since you reach it, bro. You know what I feel a fact.
Brother, she and I love my youth. I'm tell you.
Bro. In love. Of course I'm in love. But I'm not gonna be a slave to it, bro.
Bro.
Hey, listen. A man's biggest weakness is love.
Brother, listen to me. Listen to me, my boss.
I'm listening.
See, on my wedding day, Pastor said something. Pastor said, love is patient, love is kind, love not envy, love not boastful, and a whole heap of other things. Long and short of it, just love your wife. You understand? And two kind of love different. So, can't understand.
I'm a preacher friend. I'm a preacher friend, or should I say Mr. Lovey-Dovey? Because, wait. You and your wife, we're 6 years still. So, me, if you look at love, don't really have no levels. No levels there. For me 1 year, I really match up to you in 6 years.
Bro,
Bro.
it no matter. The love her. Should you force herself on it?
Nah, not really. But to be honest, bro, listen, I really want good one with the bag of woman. You know something I already tell her and make sure you know, say, I want her to be my partner. I want to commit myself to her, I want to marry her, she wants to spend the rest of my life. You understand? That's all, bro.
See, bro, that's love. Yo, no both connect, bro. You have to just spend time with her. You see me? More time you spend, stronger your connection get. You see me? And guess what, the life short. You know what tomorrow promise. You see me? You can live us today and dead. You see me? You can dead tomorrow. So you have to enjoy every moment with your wife, brother. I mean, your wife to be. You understand? Yeah, man. So you have to do it, brother. So you can't just give up on it, dog. You see me?
Yeah, you're right,
Yeah, bro. Just think about everything we just said here.
You're right. Anyways, how you reach your work so early? You not tell me you're not for the work early?
Brother, you want to know, say, you go down my hard way to get some things work on your house, but Lisa said she'll get them for me, bro. You see me?
Yeah.
And she'll just drop me at work early, bro, so... No, she go early, brother. Yeah, it's early, you know. Me have to early for work, dog.
Bro, I go. Remember saying we have quota man in the house trying to meet the quota threshold of the video, my friend.
Hold on, you did send email to the people there?
You know, say, just the video.
Brother, you jump on it, man. Remember, say, this year kind of the #1 twin trip this year, you know. Yeah, get the work done, you see me?
Yo, I full tilt, you know, every energy I go into this right now, you know.
So
every work. Yo,
bro, G.
Easy yourself on this one. Either.
One.
Yeah, they good.
Yeah, brother, you good?
Yeah, man, good now. Everything good? Just see you tired of it, you know. Yo. How you manage? How you manage? Let's see you left for work early today. Yeah, how good?
Brother, you're gonna cross this woman there, brother. So I can't manage for your stairs, so just
Easy. Don't say that, man.
Off your mind.
Are you in the box of this? No?
Yeah, bro, 30 grand for the box. You know, see?
Bartender, everything on the shelf. Like she asleep, man.
Bartender! Watch out! What's she there for? Yeah, bro, G, I'm gonna read the woman the back more. Yeah! I have to read mom's yard, no, brother.
Yeah, dog,
Jaja. Tell us some God on to moms in the youth. I work hard. Yo. Hey, my brother. Yo, answer, brother. Hey, the phone.
Yo.
Answer your phone, my youth.
What?
Dash, you look for your dog, you need to answer mom's youth. You know, so you like to be in your life, brother. That's why I be to be over here. Drink more, because I be to be over. But I tell them one next up now.
Yo, Peter. What money you saving for the box?
30 grand, my youth. We can't drink anything tonight. What do you want to drink? You can buy at the bar. Bartender!
Bartender.
I don't know it's a bartender.
Yo.
Brother, answer Emma, youth. Answer moms. Mom, that tell us if you come over now. Answer no? Brother. Bad man, answer your wife, you. Just the money. You alright, man?
Yo.
Brother, how much time I keep a man call you, brother?
No, sir.
Answer, man. That's why I'm not talking to you about this, brother. Make peace real.
Hold on. Yo, me I call back in. Me I call back. I call her.
Do what you do, man.
I'm using she call me too much time now. Yo, start ringing up. Emma, hold on. Bad.
Hey, boy. Yo, I'm gonna put phone and give me everything in your pocket. Yo, matter of fact, give me phone.
Yo, can I phone me?
Yo,
Good morning, the love of my life.
Emma, have I been here before?
What are you talking about?
Sure. Morning. You really mean to tell me that Emma is not realizing what's taking place? Emma.
Yes, babe?
I think something is wrong. I think my life is being replayed.
What do you mean?
And over again. Emma, you didn't see me come in the kitchen twice.
No, babe, you came in here once.
Emma, I came in here twice.
Babe, maybe you had a bad dream.
You don't even notice. Maybe I'm having a deja vu.
Babe, maybe it's a bad dream. Just go get ready for work.
But something feels strange. Something about this feels strange.
No, babe, just go get ready for work.
Work? Nah, no work.
What do you mean?
Emma, work. Not today.
Are you serious?
Feeling that you have already experienced something that is actually happening for the first time. Something that has happened many times before. Something that is deja vu. So why have so much time? Sure, so. You are going to wake up in the morning, be in the kitchen, in a yellow dress, yellow blouse. You will be preparing sausages and bacon.
So you finally decided to go to work.
Yeah. Come on. Everything that's gonna happen through the day is on this piece of paper.
So you're not gonna have breakfast?
No, I'm okay. Don't understand why no one had not realized our experience. Am I the only person experiencing this right now? Don't understand this.
Angie girl, I'm so happy.
Rasta. No, Rasta, tell me. Lord God, Rasta, you don't see me pass so much time, Rasta.
I'm on the phone and talk about my business.
No, you don't see me pass around 3 times, Rasta.
No, I don't have time for you right now. Yes, my love, yes.
No, Rasta, you come like me and mad, Rasta. You don't see me pass so much.
Go on.
No, Rasta, for real, man.
No, you're coming to my conversation now. I'm on the phone and talk, I'm busy, I'm not till the morning.
Sorry, boy, Rasta. Hold on. You don't realize something? You don't realize something wrong? No.
Realize what, bro?
What do you mean realize what? You don't realize that we are the same people them in the car again from the last time?
Again, brother.
Listen. You have a ring in your pocket, right? You have a propose to her, right? Rasta love cake. Don't worry your head, Rasta. I'll get figure the wedding. Today is your birthday. Listen, we've been in this moment before. You understand?
Brother, hold on, brother. Oh, you know, say, me have a ring and I'm going to propose to my woman. Oh, you know, say, my woman
Because I've been here before.
No, brother, if first you come here, say, brother. First, me being seeing you.
Sorry.
Wow, that man that sound like a reader, man. How you know that?
Nothing for choo. But this seems very strange.
Acha. Sweetheart. That man attached us up on me. Babe, you know me love you. Eh? Yeah, man. Babe, that's why I spend so much time with you. So I know you want. Yeah. I'm a baby. Yeah, oh babe. Later me and Taj I go have a drink, you know. Yeah, but me come in first, spend a 5 with you. And I do some liquor. Baby, make it. And then me and go back here. Alright, later. Love you.
Here we go again. What's happening to me? What's happening to me?
Brother, I'm here. Yo, I'm here.
Yo, Peter, yo. Brother, you won't even understand, Peter, my brother. You won't even understand, brother. It's like me dead, brother. Brother, I told me I don't want to loop you. Every loop. Brother, me never there around 50 times already, you know. Me there so. Around 50 times already. Brother. Yo, just watch. Me go sit down right there, so. Me positive say me go sit down right there, so. And I move and just watch me. Something about happen.
Brother.
Just watch.
Hold on. For things that happen to you, yo, I know one blind man who can't help you, bro.
Bro. Yo, it's like nobody now understand me.
Bro, see that.
Blind man can't even see you, blind
Call
man.
him, brother. Just call him, man. Just call him.
Yo, it's like this. Yo. Oh. I don't even know how I feel. I feel like the inside out. Yo. So man, I feel I wonder if me I go crazy or something. I get something to eat and just steady my meds. I just feel messed up. Yo. Bro, wait, shh. Don't say nothing. Peter. Listen. Come I said before. We there so before. We already there so. We still there so. I mean I understand how to live so. But you listen to me. Yo. I don't understand, brother. Listen to me. Don't touch nothing, brother. Listen. Shh, listen up. This is a moment we're already in a hit. You understand? We live this life here already, like me and you there, son. 3 times already. No touch nothing, brother. Tap, touch. Just listen to me now. Tap, move. Listen to me, brother. Just listen. Live this life already. Come like my life a replay, brother. some things that happen to me, I don't understand. It's like, with a cheat, my father said, yo, right now we can tell you. Emma got call my phone.
How was it?
You give me a cheat. Emma call my phone. You go outside. Man go try to rob me. Look at that.
Better than a woman they always a call.
Brother, we just tell. Yo.
Brother, wanna work money?
You wanna work, brother? Brother, even though you wanna work, brother, no matter time, brother, around 50 times in trouble, and the one see the brother, I gotta listen to me, you just listen to me, dog. Listen to me, dog, listen to me, please, dog, because listen to me, dog. Listen. I feel like I'm in chest.
Answer Emma. It's Emma call. Answer.
Brother, just stop in eyes.
Come back at the gym.
Just stop in eyes and come back to the gym. Just easy up. I tell her, say, look at me, I tell her. We do this already. We had this conversation already.
Dad, have a drink, brother. You're mad? What is wrong with you?
You tell me if you have a drink. You know what time we do this, brother? Eh?
Brother,
you know what time we do this?
I first time I come here from here.
You know what time we do this?
Do what?
This!
Brother, I first time we there with me I come here.
What did you cheat time?
Brother, one time we got work today.
Time to take up my phone and go so. Just watch. And I'll call back. Just watch. See that?
A woman, brother, them always a call.
Forward.
You Peter, man, you. I'm one. I'm going to phone and give me everything in your pocket. Give me your phone. Phone!
No, not this again. Not this again. No. Jesus, no. What's up to me? No.
Good morning, the love of my life.
No. This can't be happening again. No, this can't be happening again.
Babe, what happened to you?
Emma, you can't see what's happening here. Emma, I'm dead, Emma.
Babe, you're not dead, see, you're solid. I can touch you.
Emma, I'm not alive, Emma. Emma, I'm dead, Emma. Emma, I'm dead, Emma, I'm dead, Emma, I'm dead.
You're scaring me. Baby, maybe you had a bad dream.
Emma, can't you see my chin chop? Alright.
Babe, I told you to stop eating so late in the kitchen. It's a bad dream you're having, you know? A bad dream.
This happened to me.
Babe, calm down, man. It's because you're eating in the kitchen late at night.
Alright. Signals are so. Alright. Show you how I go on. Alright, signals are so.
Good morning, the love of my life. Babe, you alright?
What is really going on? Huh? Sorry, tell me now, me don't understand what's really going on. Huh? I don't understand, this just strange like this minute, that minute. No, this No, something really strange about this. Like, something really strange. Like, I'm confused towards this, man. How that? But how is this possible? How did this paper reach in my pocket? How did this reach in this pants pocket? I didn't put it in this pants pocket. I got it.
See that.
Blind man can't even see you, blind
Call
man.
him, brother. Just call him, man. Just call him.
Yo, it's like this. Yo. How did this paper reach in this time? When it happened? In that time? This part? Maybe this is... Oh. You know what? Maybe this is the key to my problem. What's going on?
What are you doing? Is everything okay? You're not acting like yourself.
You don't get it, Emma. I'm in a loop. See what that means? I can do whatever I want. Anything I want.
Babe, stop.
Stop what? Stop what, Emma?
Babe, stop. You're not acting like yourself.
Ha! You see, you're right. That's what happens with life. The moment a man start to live him life, feel him way, his way, quick for jump and say, oh, you're not being yourself. Well, it's my life, and I'm gonna live it the way how I want.
Babe, you're hurting me. Don't you care about me? You don't care about my feelings.
My life. I wonder if this is the place. If over here at 26. Yeah man, over here at 26, over here must be 27. Hello? I wonder if anybody home. One minute, ma'am, 1 minute.
Can I help you?
Yes, ma'am. Hello, can I speak to you? 1 minute, ma'am. 1 minute. One minute. My name is Taj. Can I speak to Mr. Monroe?
May I ask why would you like to speak to him?
Yes. I want to talk to him about my religion. Can we get some information so we can come to Mr. Monroe? Over here, live now?
Yes, sir. Give me a minute.
Alright. Sure, we should look help me in the morning. So hope him can help me. Who is it?
I'm not sure. He said his name is Taj. And he's like to speak to you about his religion.
Yeah, we did him about it.
Well, tell him come in.
Dad, he's here.
Who is here?
Taj.
Morning, Mr. Monroe.
Morning. How can I help you?
A friend is everything okay, Mr. Monroe? A friend directed me to you. He said you can help me with my problem that I'm having.
Rhea.
Yes, Dad.
Rhea.
Yes, Dad.
Get me the alibi. There's a spirit.
There's no spirit, just me and this
No,
young
give me
man.
no talk. There's a spirit. Wait.
No, Dad is a physical person. I can touch
Is everything
him.
okay, Mr. Monroe?
Touch him.
Is everything okay with the father?
Wait. What? I can see him?
Yes. Get me the olive oil.
What is a human?
Yes, get me the olive oil.
Spirit. Oh my spirit.
Get me the olive oil. Get me the olive oil. Get me the
What
olive
are
oil.
father
There's a
talking
spirit.
about?
There's a spirit.
Mr. Monroe.
Warm to you.
No, Mr. Monroe. I'm dead about.
He's not a spirit. He's not a spirit.
I'm scared.
Get me my chair. Get me my chair.
Is everything alright, Mr. Monroe? Please, tell me. Tell me, please. I want to know.
Warm to you. Talk to me. Warm to you.
Mr. Monroe, I think I'm dead over 21 times already, you know. And every time I'm dead, I think I come back, I feel it. It's like I think I feel one time I'm dead.
What? What? You keep coming back?
Yes. Yes, Mr. Monroe, and it's really vivid. It's like every time when I die, I can feel my death.
To everything there's a season and a time to every purpose under heaven. That there's a right moment for all action. You're dead. You're not a human anymore. You're an angel.
Huh? No, Mr. Monroe, you're making a big mistake. I'm not an angel. No. Oh no, Mr. Monroe. Are you mad? Are you mad? Oh.
Taj, you are not human like us. You keep holding on to something that's dear to you. Might as well just let it go. Because you keep coming back. And you have something that you're holding on to, just let it go. And you're not like us. I know it hurts, but I'm just telling you like it is.
See,
just let it go.
Mr. Monroe.
Yes, sir.
Respect.
And guidance.
Mr. Monroe. Seen as I saw. Seen as I saw, Mr. Monroe. Respect, Mr. Monroe. Seen as I saw. I'm gonna live my life, Mr. Monroe. Thank you if you tell me. You're not spirit anymore. You're not human. So that means I can't live my life then. Alright.
Welcome to Conrad Unit Pressure Room. May I help you today, sir?
There, man, my Jim. I'm just going to take a look in that place. Everything good?
Yeah, man, everything good, man.
Clocks are nice, though. Yes, what's that, man? It smells sweet, you know, like a foreign shipment ever, no?
Yeah, man, everything well shipped now, man.
I understand, sure. nice pants like a eagle them. Nice, see how much you sell eagle them for? Like a joggers. Joggers. Joggers ain't bad too. The shorts them. Nice place. Oh, you know say, I pull over me and I look for a long time. One of them like, how can I burn? Still not in the burn, man. I say I pull over me and look for a long time to one type of place. Boom, yo. Nice, huh? Nice. Chill. Yes. If me have enough money. Yo, you know what? Yo, Linky man ask him what you want. Linky boss ask him what you want. I can pull over them for.
Big boy, how do you understand?
Yeah, man. You know, say at the price of the jacket, more than know.
Which one of them?
They do. The one else. We don't see no name on it.
Oh, 5-5 for that, you know.
5-5.
Yeah, man.
Like it, man. Like that jacket.
Look for it, man.
So, 5,000. So me can't get no discount?
Yeah, man. Keep 5 for yourself. So that's 5 grand.
Yo. I come back for this one. I never really this time I come for an idea. It's a pants more for you know, can't we got all kind of.
Oh, working point. We have them over here, saying.
Okay. That jacket, man, really like that jacket, you know. Bad jacket for you, man, I like it.
Yeah, man, so let's go on, bros, and...
You're nice, you don't have a nice store still.
Yeah, man.
You're nice clothes, youth. Yo. Bad. Yo, I'm going to take a look, is it?
Alright, go on there, I think.
Champion. I see that Tamil figure look. I see that champion look nice though. Nice blue color. Like brand type of stuff. What is? Pull on him. Oh boy. Guys! Now we're talking. Paula. Go buy one of them size 9 clocks. Yo, you know see pretty neat, no? You are real leather this, no? Original clocks, you know, brother? I cannot even know how this are clocks are, but yo, me step go out in this, you know, it's cheap, brother, and come so like a jacket and jet layer, so a girl and drop on my knee. What? Think a joke. That's what you go on. Yo, we can have some more money in our pocket, man. Yo, everything we take off your son. Because, brother, I don't see where you're at school and kick one on your face. Come make you think I joke, me. Real something this up. Yo, this a place I what, brother? What this a place? This a not tell a lie. Watch out. Me I go and look sicky. Me I go and look what I go in my place. I go and look sicky. Stay good. Stay come on.
Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Yeah, we have some fun there, brother. Yeah, man. Yeah.
Hello, beautiful.
Hi.
How you doing?
I'm good.
I can see that.
You can see that?
Yeah, you look really. Hello, you look really beautiful. You're going so fast.
I'm good. Sent to shop. Want to buy me something?
Hey, take anything in the store you want.
Anything? Alright.
Sure. Reaching a cashy. Yeah.
Cashy?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm telling you.
Okay.
Anything, Browning. It looks so nice for you. Anything. Yeah, that polo you want it, you can buy it.
Alright.
Yeah, I can get it for you.
I can get anything.
Anything. Take up your anything. You have the wares over there. You got lady stuff over there. Anything. That pink one would really fit you, you know.
Yeah, I like this one.
Yeah, it matches your hair. Wow.
I like this.
So, Browning. Like, come here, I go buy you some stuff and thing. You know, so I go want the number.
Yeah, if you pay for them first, then we can talk about that.
Browning, simple thing that take anything you want in the store.
Alright,
then.
then.
Some cashy, Browning. Wow, we can't stop staring at you. Hey, you just have me hypnotized. Why you moving like this? Yes, that one.
Nice.
That one is literally you. Nautica.
Love
Yes.
it. Love it. It's nice.
That one's you. I'm
Fit me
telling
now?
you. Pink, your color.
Alright. Security.
Hello,
The
may I
guy
help
in the
you?
pink shirt, you see him?
Guy in a pink shirt?
Yeah, pink just there, so.
I'm gonna come in a pink shirt.
What you mean?
You know, see no purple or only color shirt me see coming here.
No, this not serious. So I'm supposed.
Me is a free man. Anything me want to do. Any single thing me want to do. This is my world. Me I run this place. Emma, honey, I love you. And you know
Yeah,
this.
but you don't show it, babe. You don't show it.
Babe. Yeah, babe, you rushing things to a type of way, you know. Because you're watching and comparing people. I'm a free man. Hear that? Run this way. Yeah.
Shake up.
My world is my world, my world, my world. Hello, ma'am.
Yes,
evening. How much on your chicks then?
You know, say $50 one. But I say you can get $100.
Hello, John, man. Thanks, man.
Man.
Nice lace.
Yes, man. White color. You know it.
Yeah, man. Hello, good night.
Good night.
Night. Wow. The voice though. Oh, you want sound so sweet.
I don't know.
You know me what I want to know?
What?
Why it sounds so sweet with choo though? Where you come from? No sir. I'm most heaven.
Heaven and earth.
Yeah, man. highly think you're an angel. You just come and say I feel divine. I swear.
Wow. Wow.
No, sir. I feel too attracted to you right now. Why me I feel so?
I don't know.
Hey, name?
Jada.
Sexy Jada. Yeah. You don't believe me? Well, Jada, nice to meet you. I'm Taj.
Nice to meet you.
Sure. So, Jada, I'm gonna see nobody sitting on soda.
Just a lonely night.
I see. Lonely night. So, you don't want no company?
Not really.
Jada, I insist. I feel like I want some company. It's my lonely night too, you know. Yeah, cause the things are going on, you know. More afraid, man. You know? Yeah, Jada. See her at the bar taking a drink. Must be nice. Must be feeling nice. Kinda. Can make you feel better. Okay. I like to hear okays, you know, when time I ask a question, you know. So, yeah, that's what I'm talking about. So, Jada. Hey, Jada. You know what? Realize your cup is quite empty.
Right.
Bartender.
Hello.
Hey. Bartender.
Hello, good night.
Hey, good night.
How may I help you?
You know how you can help me?
That's what I just asked.
Sorry, I kinda did last week. Hold on. Jada, what you drinking?
Can I have a glass of mix, please? And a big bun.
Wow. Also, I come like a my lucky night tonight. Why two nice queen me have to buck up once up with you. And me one so lucky.
Here you go.
Jada, and me one so lucky.
Maybe, I don't know.
That's it?
Yeah. She Jada. Yes, that good now.
Fine, yeah.
True. Skin look like them chocolate skin, they were smooth.
Thank you.
Hey, thank you, Miss Bartender. I need to know your name, because you're too sweet.
You're welcome. My name is Skinny.
Chocolate skin Kimmy. Wow. See free.
You seem like a nice person.
Of course I am. Always nice to people that I like, you know. It's worse when time I like you. I spend on you.
Wow.
Yeah. And you look like somebody I would spend on. Yeah, you think you have a nice smile, you know?
First, may I hear that though?
I'm glad I'm here first and really happy. I'm telling you. What's up with my policy? You're the very lucky number.
Yes, I think so.
You like it? Wow, I'm glad that you like it.
Hey.
Wow. 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 Wow, ladies. So amazing. So amazing. You like it?
Okay, good night. Hopefully next time.
Next time.
Oh, I thought I had an underwear.
What? Nah, I didn't see it.
Okay, that's insane. Have a good day.
I did. Later. Emma. Well, I can't sit down right beside you. Alright. Just me and you.
Taj! He's right over there.
What?
Taj! There he is, Taj! He's right there. Taj! Taj! Taj, what happened to you?
I wanna.
To you?
Here, my you.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, brother. Come on. Come on.
Wait, no.
Come on.
No.
What's this? This is a panty, Taj?
This is mine. Leave it. Sentimental.
Oh! Oh my god! Taj! Taj! Oh my god. He's dying! Oh my god!
No. What happened to me? What happened to me? God, what happened to me, God? No. This time I didn't know how your chicks are so big, yeah. No, God. Oh, no. Emma.
Good morning, the love of my life.
Good morning. Emma. Listen. Emma, I know that. Listen, Emma. Listen, Emma, I know that I haven't been the man in your life that I should have been for so long, Emma. Emma, I know that I've been treating you like you don't have any feelings, like you're not important. Emma, I know that. Emma, I know that I've been lacking. It's been so long since I've been so aware to something that I've been doing wrong for so long. And Emma, I'm really, truly, I'm here to tell you that I love you and I want to make things right as a man in life towards you and for a future, Emma. I truly mean this, Emma. You are my queen. You are my princess. You are my baby. You're my honey. I want to live life with you. Emma. Emma, Esmeralda Spencer, will you marry me?
Yes, babe, a million times. A million times, babe.
Emma, I love you.
I love you too, babe.
You're the queen of my life.
Babe, it's a bit big.
Emma, don't worry, I'm gonna change it.
No, that's okay. It's okay, babe. Yes, babe. This means so much to me.
I love you.
I love you too, babe.
I'm gonna keep you forever. I'm never letting you go again.
I love you so much, babe.
I'm gonna make you happy this time, okay?
Yes, babe.
I'm never gonna slip up. Never. I love you.
I love you too, babe. Yes, babe?
I have something else for you. Voila.
Babe! No! No!
4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh, get to know.
Emma, what's wrong with you? Emma, why? Emma, why are you crying? Why are you crying, Emma? Who are you?
I'm you from the other side.
What other side?
You're dead. Can't you see? You're dead.
I'm not dead. Dead? I'm not dead.
Oh, babe, you're home.
Yes, baby, I'm home. What's up? Oh, my little boy is doing there.
He's doing great.
Look what Brianna have here.
Oh, Brianna.
I come see you today. I come home and see you in his work.
Wow. I'm so proud of you, baby.
Really? Yeah.
I mean, why this is happening to me? It's time to go home, Touch. It's time.
Why all of this has happened to me?
Yes, you made a wish, you remember?
Bradford, all of this?
Yes, because you had the chance to show Emma love, you didn't. You died for 7 years.
You need to tell me I have been dead for 7 years.
Yes, and she had to move on with her life now, so it's no time for you to go to heaven.
What could I have done? What could I have done?
You are sent to earth to live, but you didn't. You hold on to the past. You didn't live. You didn't want to live. You chose to hold on to the past, so you gave up your chance. Come on, let's go, it's time.
I love her.
You loved her, but you didn't show her that you love her.
I love her.
Come on, it's time.
You speak true words to my ears, because all of what you said makes sense.
It's still holding on to the past. Let's go.
I understand now.
It's time.
Truly understand now.
You have your brother in here? Your brother?
You ready to be a big sister?
You're gonna be a big sister.
Swear I won't forget this, why do I regret this? In my mind reckless, thoughts are feeling endless. Sitting up, I'm breathless, anxiety's infectious. I feel so defenseless, betrayed and embarrassed. I hate being open, I hate being broken. I feel like an ocean filled up with emotion. Anger ain't a potion, rub it on like lotion. I can feel it soaking, reopen, the scars have awoken. I can't move on till I let go. I feel so lost, never at home. Need to be strong, every breath